Fujifilm X-S20 Honest Review 2026. Are you tired of using a camera that's as cumbersome as it is expensive? Do you find yourself sacrificing image quality for the sake of portability? Well, I've got some good news for you, but here's what surprised me about the Fujifilm X-S20, a camera that promises to revolutionize the way we take pictures on the go. For the best price, click the link in the description. Deep dive 1300 words. The Fujifilm X-S20 is a mirrorless camera that boasts an impressive array of features. With its 26.1 megapixel APS-C sensor and advanced image stabilization technology, you'll be able to capture stunning images with clarity and precision. But what really sets this camera apart is its compact design. It's the perfect choice for anyone who wants to take their photography to the next level without sacrificing style. But here's a twist. The X-S20 also boasts a range of advanced features that will make you wonder how you ever managed without them. From its intuitive touchscreen interface to its built-in Wi-Fi connectivity, this camera is designed to make your life easier. Therefore, it's no wonder that photographers of all levels are singing its praises. One of the standout features of the X-S20 is its ability to capture 4K video at a smooth 30 FPS. But what about low-light performance? I was impressed by how well this camera handled even the most challenging shooting conditions. Therefore, if you're looking for a camera that can keep up with your creative vision, look no further. But don't just take my word for it, let's take a closer look at some of the key specs and features of the Fujifilm X-S20. 26.1 megapixel APS-C sensor. Advanced image stabilization technology. Compact design. Intuitive touchscreen interface. Built-in Wi-Fi connectivity. 4K video capture at 30 FPS. Excellent low-light performance. So what do you get for your money? Well, let's just say that the X-S20 is more than just a camera, it's an experience. With its sleek design and advanced features, this is one piece of kit that will elevate your photography game in no time. But here's the thing. With great power comes great responsibility. Therefore, I want to make sure you're aware of some of the potential pitfalls of owning the X-S20. For example, some users have reported issues with battery life, but I found that this was largely due to user error rather than a design flaw. Therefore, if you're looking for a camera that's easy to use and packed with features, look no further than the Fujifilm X-S20. Resolution 1300 words. So what's my verdict on the Fujifilm X-S20? Well, let me tell you, I'm thoroughly impressed. From its compact design to its advanced image stabilization technology, this camera has it all. Therefore, if you're in the market for a new camera and you want one that will deliver high-quality results every time, look no further than the Fujifilm X-S20. But don't just take my word for it, here are some pros and cons to consider. Pros: excellent image quality. Compact design. Advanced features such as 4K video capture and built-in Wi-Fi connectivity. Intuitive touchscreen interface. Cons: battery life can be an issue if not managed properly. Some users have reported issues with autofocus in certain situations. But don't let these cons deter you, the Fujifilm X-S20 is a game changer. Therefore, I highly recommend checking it out for yourself. And as always, make sure to get the best price by clicking the link in the description.